Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
We will learn how to fix we could not install a required dependency in League of Legends. In order to fix could not install a required dependency on your Riot client, you need to make sure that on the background all of your Vanguard and Riot client services are enabled. To check it, right click on the taskbar and head to the Task Manager section. Now click on the startup apps and make sure that VG Tray, which is the Vanguard tray software, is enabled on startup. After you've checked it out, head to the search panel. In here type msconfig config, then click on open. Now from here head to the services tab, click hide all Microsoft services. Now from here make sure that VGC, which is a Vanguard service, is enabled. After that click on apply, then OK. After clicking on OK, it will ask for your PC to be restarted. Just make sure that you click on the restart button and your PC will be restarted and all of the settings will be applied. After that, if you open up your Riot client and head to League of Legends, you'll see that there is no error showing up here and you can play the game easily like this.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.